Alright, so today we're going to replace control arms on the old 2015 Forester. Pretty bad wobble. Got it up on a lift and pretty much isolated it to the ball joints, and it all comes as a kit here with the ball joint and stuff. So let's get her pulled in here and get going, huh?
Pulling it up is just frustrating.
Horrible sound. Wait, does this jack not spin the handle to lock and release?
Yeah, should.
You just keep going though?
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, it might. No, it's not popped in.
Oh, makes sense. How do you get that in?
No. Here. Let me.
More leverage?
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Really, bro?
All right. Well,
First step. Huh?
we're here. We're stuck. That's all right. We got this. We'll figure it out. I don't know what size it
Someone
is.
pulled out too early.
Oh, the only time when it is a good thing. Oh no. See, so that's a tutorial in itself.
There you go.
So if you ever mess up, just throw a 15 on the Harbor Freight. Pull it out.
Pittsburgh.
Don't scratch the car. Alright.
But you're jacking like heavy ass parts and the whole scale, like a concrete deck.
Yeah.
You get down there underneath it and like jack it up.
Right.
Like, replace parts and shit. Some sketchy stuff, dude.
So yeah, oh yeah, because you're
'Cause
just
we're
like making
underneath
it
it.
work and you're underneath it too. Oh.
What was that?
Have to, should have just brought two.
Yeah. This guy's done this before.
Just fucking slap it, dude.
Oh, it's up again. But
That's
it's
okay. Turn the wheel all the way towards me, so okay, all the way that way.
Yeah.
That's probably good. That's good.
Bro, we can get this shit popping. We'll get a lift in here.
Dude, fucking, you can get the, they got that Temu lift right now? That's a single car lift.
I think he was about to get rid of one too.
Oh, was he? Bro,
So I think he's gonna move shops.
that would be insane. Oh, it does. Don't do this to me.
Got some atmosphere,
Bet.
Alright, you think I can do it?
Oh yeah.
Manuel? Easy peasy.
Beautiful.
Go for it.
Oh, simple.
Easy peasy. Okay, now what? Hit this down?
So this little guy here, bang that out.
Okay.
Okay, move that out of the way. Perfect. Yep. And then now,
So
get that ball joint free, so we need something to pry. We gotta kind of pry that open a little bit.
Is this cool?
We could try that. See if oh, I have a fork here.
Maybe. So, well, it's a ball joint popper, but
It's literally what we're doing. I mean, I guess we use the ball joint popper. Sure.
Kind of just.
She's in there.
Yeah.
And I feel like, it's hard to say, but I feel like we moved it down.
Yeah,
It just kind of ran out of throw.
Yeah, definitely spread it.
Right? So it's almost like...
Yeah, no, you're good. We could pop all the way off. Oh yeah. Okay. Remember, boys and girls, ready, tight, loose. Remember how that goes back in. Just like this, right? Yeah. Right there. Beautiful. Making progress. A lot of progress. Alright, what size is that? That size? Ooh, it's a little... Could I get away with that? I do not want to strip that one.
No. What do you got? What is it?
It is a 19. So the only thing that would be close to a 19.
Metric measurement is smaller than 19.
Do you want me to use ChatGPT?
Oh, yeah, we do have to take this off because that's the retainer for this. Fucking. God, it's so nice to not live in the Majestic.
Rust?
Cause this shit we would have still been doing this. Like,
Oh, is that fucking rock the whole time?
right?
No, look at how torn out this is. I imagine that's not what it's supposed to look like.
No, that's actually a super common issue on these.
Yeah. Faux show.
Alright, now we gotta figure out the front. I think we need a 19-inch wrench, which I don't know if I have. Oh, clean, bro.
So easy.
I knew I was supposed to live here. Make my life better.
Right?
Okay, where was that nut?
Right here.
I'll take that.
Thank you. The next tool we need is one of those fucking little power wrenches or whatever.
Oh, the little ones. Yeah.
That every mechanic uses for everything.
For everything, the power ratchet or whatever it's called.
Yes. They're usually Snap-on, but I'm sure there's cheap ones.
No, Harbor Freight's got them for cheap.
Yeah. Okay. We got our new linkage. Does it matter which way? They look identical. Brother, why do I not have a 17 socket right now? It's
Yeah, why don't we
insane.
have a ratchet? Why are we not? Oh, yeah, I got that. Oh, shit, that forearm, though.
Beautiful. Alright, we're Gucci.
Sweet. And then we'll, Enzo. No, you can get this out though. There it is. Shit. Alright, tighten that up. Put an actual probably. What the fuck is it? Because that's what protects your life, so I don't want that loose. Protects the wife, it protects the life. I'm gonna get up. I actually fucking do this. One item? Yeah.
fuck on it.
Not quite focusing on him. Come on, buddy. There you go. Had a grease gun. I do like that.
And then we will hand check that as well because that is a very important one.
Bro, one time I was driving a semi with 30,000 pounds of weight.
Yeah.
And my homie's driving. I'm in the passenger and we're on the coast.
Yeah.
Oregon coast, windiest coast. And he's like, it's kind of hard to steer.
Yeah.
And I was like, pull over. And I shit you not, our fucking steering rack was about to fall out and we would have no steering. Like cotter pin gone. It was so close to falling out.
In the front, the kingpin of the semi,
The
the front end.
The kingpin. Yeah.
No.
I was like so glad I said, pull over. Like, he's like, it's kind of hard to, it's kind of weird, like hard to steer. And I was
Let's
like,
check it out before we
Whoa.
die.
Look,
Oh my god.
dude, old trucks,
I know.
working out of place,
Yup.
not ideal.
Okay. So
Takes a little. I don't know. I don't even know the sizes. I just can like.
Yeah.
I just
Bigger. Grab one and
Bigger.
then-
Yeah. Because I don't even pay attention. Just my brain doesn't work like that. It's weird. Kind of like directions, right? Like I'll give you directions by like landmarks. I don't know like north,
Same.
north, south, east, west. But
Same.
I'm getting better as I get older. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, this is actually an important thing to fucking know.
I guess when the grid goes out and we can't use our phones.
Yeah. So I mean,
Are we ready to drop the bitch? That's one done?
let's see. I think so. That's all we needed. Yeah.
how long you get this one?
Like 6 months.
A month?
6 maybe?
Oh, okay. Not too long. You buy it off Marketplace or something?
Dealership.
Cool.
On the coast, which made me nervous. Got it for like $9 grand.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, good. Yeah, keep going. We got protection, so. Take a beer. Alright.
Alright. This bitch fought us, but we're almost there.
I like old things, alright? You got a fetish. Fetishes are accepted in Eugene.
Yeah, don't fucking kink shame him.
Yeah, no king shame me, bitch. 76 Chevy pickup.
You ever gotten blown in the back of one of these? Didn't think so. But I mean, you could do that or something similar.
Or something.
Good work. 120, I mean, fuck.
Right?
There it is.
Yeah, I guess I could have used it as leverage to get this hooker up.
Try it that way, see?
We might need to spread the cheeks on that ball joint. Open up, ball joint.
Here comes Dirty.
What the hell? You got the big hammer?
No.
No. Baby, touchy. God damn it. Drake, get out of my
It's right
head.
here, bro.
God. Lid's low and I'm not observant.
Can we just take a minute to look at the preview, bro? Fucking goddamn. Fucking, oh my god. Fuck. Gotta stop swearing, sorry. Make this child.
What, bro?
Hey, you wasted hard drive. You wasted big lights on the treadmill.
I'm back.
Here we go. One hitter.
One hit wonder.
Nope.
Yeah, there's a go. So we're just trying to spread the cheeks of the thing. Very tight quarters, but. Yeah, you got a little ways to go, but we're good. We're doing it.
Okay.
Maybe let's throw that chisel back in for another couple hits. Hey, there it is.
Oh. Easy money.
Boom! Oh my god.
We'd have been done already.
1 for 1.
Fuck, dude, that thing's.
Alright, dropping.
Oh yeah.
I was always like, I never had a set, and then I was like, you know, that if I
First things first, dude.
Dude, the camera.
Camera's gotta eat.
Camera's gotta eat. Gotta focus it. Let's go in more.
Sitting right in the way.
No, 4 minutes, bro.
4 minutes.
4 minutes left.
Almost there. All right.
Don't actually get too crazy. It's
Don't
just
get
record
crazy,
time.
bro. Don't tell me that.
Don't drop
bro.
the fucking
I
car.
got.
Don't drop the fucking car on us.
I got. Are you okay?
Yeah. Just scared.
Fucking PTSD, bro.
Says the guy who's laying right under the bitch. I don't know these.
All right.
Okay.
And then crossbar. Just doing this shit. It's not force. Gun me. I think it's right. Never start a bolt with an impact. Whoa, I just had some crazy deja vu, bro. I've had a dream about this, dude. Oh, fuck, that was scary.
What? Grabbing for the same bolt?
That just right there, that transaction. That was, I don't know where I've seen that before, but I've seen that before.
We'll lower it. That's the next project. Actually, I meant to cut the springs while we had it in there.
Oh, shit. I see corners.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, why are you going forward? Look. Go down. Alright. Take that bitch for a test drive. Take my nuts.
Beautiful.
Coming?
Yes, sir. You can keep that rolling.